Good afternoon, everyone. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 1128 El Dorado Drive here in Rockledge, 32955. First thing I want to do is give a big shout out to Timothy Curry with LPT Realty. He was kind enough to allow us to do this video walkthrough of this gorgeous home. So we are going to go ahead and start heading inside. As you can see, we got a nice area right here as you come up to the house. If you want to sit out here on some chairs and kind of hang out and enjoy this wonderful Florida weather. So as we step inside here, we do see the gorgeous kitchen updated. We'll get over there in a moment. But let's go ahead and close the door here. We do have a nice living room area or dining room area here, and then living room over to this side. And then check this out. Nice little bonus nook area with a fireplace, that cool brick wall. So we are in a 1965 home, almost 1,100 square foot. And this home has a updated kitchen, gas range. Look at all this counter space and look at the gorgeous gas range here. Perfect for all your cooking. We've got our microwave over the counter there. These nice cool drawers here. Some butcher block area. A little bit more of a span. And then we will go out here. You got an added area here. Got a refrigerator, garage. So we got a fan here in our garage and our attic space. Washer dryer are out here. And then we do have a full bath here. So you got a nice shower, a vanity area. So super cool to have that second bath. We are in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We're going to go back to the dining area. Plenty of space for a big table there. Cool area. And put some bar stools right there. And again, not that we need a fireplace here in Florida, but it's always nice to have. And look at this cool updated bathroom. We've got lots of space there for all of our stuff. Lots of cabinets. Nice deep tub. Get some sunshine from outside. And into first bedroom. Nice sized bedrooms here. Plenty of space. And bedroom 2. Again, decent sized bedrooms. We don't live in those bedrooms anyway, so we live in all of our living space, which we've got quite a bit of out here. And then, of course, anybody who does not live here in Florida might want to consider moving here because it is March. And if I wasn't working, I'd be wearing shorts and a t-shirt. Got plenty of great weather here. Nice concrete patio here. And we are covered, so we've got a roof over our head. Perfect for sitting outside and enjoying the sunshine. Plenty of space in this backyard if you wanted to add a pool, trampoline, swing set. Great little neighborhood. Almost fell in the door there. That would have been way more fun for all of y'all watching. But we are going to cruise over here. I'm going to let y'all have a good look here in the kitchen while I give you a little bit of a recap here. We again are at 1128 El Dorado Drive here in Rockledge. We're listed at $240,000 and not much in this price range around here. So definitely want to get in here and take a look. Again, we're in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, updated kitchen with gas range. We have a solid concrete construction block home, which is always great. You do actually have a garage here. We see a lot of carports in this area, and this one has a garage. So I want to give another shout out to Timothy Curry from LPT Realty for allowing us to do this video here and show you this gorgeous home. You can reach out to Timothy or you can reach out to myself, Margaret Klein, if you'd like to see this home in person. signing off here in Rockledge. Thanks for following along, and you have an amazing day. Thanks. Bye-bye.